So what we are going to do in this video, we will look at how to disable the caps lock key in Ubuntu Desktop. For this, we need to install a package called GNOME-Tweaks. So first, update your package list using the apt-update command. And then install the GNOME-Tweaks package. Okay, so now let's open the Tweaks package, and from here go to keyboards and then click on additional layout options, and from here go to caps lock behavior, and then to disable caps lock select this option, caps lock is disabled. And also if you want to restore the caps lock key, select this option, default. And then we also need to restart the computer. And after the restart, caps lock key will be disabled.